Namaste to all of you, Master Jay here everyone. Welcome to Jay Yoga Academy. So if you are new onto this channel, please don't forget to subscribe it. So here today I will teach you some arm strengthening pose. So when you will do practice of this pose, so you can increase the arm strength and you can do some different type of postures for more balanced and more strengthening and stamina. So guys, please ready for this. So in the beginning we need to do little bit shoulder opening exercise, because whenever we are doing any asanas practice, so need to little bit strengthening your shoulder and the arms also. So everyone, first hands front, inhale, exhale, inhale, open hand, open chest, exhale, inhale, exhale. So you can do it here 5 to 10 times. After that you can do some shoulder rotation. So shoulder rotation is also very important if you are doing any back bending pose, any arm strengthening pose. So here you can do with the both side, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, inhale and exhale, relax hand. So guys, today we will start with the cat pose. So everyone just sit down, come to the cat position here. So when you come to the cat pose, your shoulder, wrist, hip, knee should be in the same line. So first of all, I will teach you how you can increase the strength of your arm. First, stay in this position and take inhale. With exhalation, you just try to go downside here. So how to go here I will teach you. You need to understand. Whenever you are going down, don't go backside, okay? Just try to go little bit forward. Try to touch your chest between your both hands. If you are unable to touch, अगर आपसे touch नहीं हो रहा है, then you can use one block or maybe two block. Remember, going down, your elbow should be close with the chest. Here, inhale, exhale के साथ नीचे जाएंगे धीरे धीरे यहाँ पे. So do it 5 to 10 times. Inhale, exhale, slowly go down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. So here in the beginning you can use 2 block, then you can use 1 block, then do it without block. Inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. After that you can hold this pose here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come back. Inhale and exhale. So this is for the beginner if you are using the block. Otherwise you can do it without using the block. Inhale and exhale के साथ. So for more variation in this position, you can raise your leg up one by one. You can hold both sides one by one. You can hold. Also you can straight your hand fronts. So there are some variation. Also you can bend your leg, more challenging, and you can hold your ankle. If you want to accept like challenges, then do it. Hands to the side, come back, inhale, exhale, squeeze, suck your belly. Okay, so this was the simple practice. After that, more practice coming for the plank position. Here, just come to the plank first and hold it. 5, 4, look front. Your hip, not lift it up, not lift it down, just in this position. 2 and 1. After that, drop your elbow. 5, 4, 3, dolphin plank. 2, 1. Now continuous change this position like this, one by one. Here, plank, and then drop your elbow, dolphin plank. Like this, continuous. Do it 5 to 10 times. So until you can do it, just try to do it. It's very good for your hands, for increase your strength in your hands. Last time, hold it. After that, feet together. You can drop it down. If you want more, you can keep your feet together and one hand up. You can straight hand over the head. अगर आपसे hold नहीं होता है, you can bend it here also. 5, 4, breathe normal. 3, 2, 1. वापस आ जाइए, दूसरी साइड से कीजिए सेम पोजीशन. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. After that, drop your elbow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, drop your elbow down. Here, this one is good for your core and for your shoulder and your arm. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Also, you can hold it with this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. दूसरी साइड से कीजिए. Inhale and exhale के साथ पोजीशन चेंज करेंगे पहले. With one hand straight. 5, 4. Keep breathing. 3. श्वास लेते रहिए, छोड़ते रहिए. 2, 1. Bend your leg. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone come back. Inhale and exhale. Now here, drop your knee and come to the child position first. Inhale, exhale. Also, I will teach you how to do the chaturanga. So for chaturanga, you can drop your elbow from this position and then try to straight your leg. First, hold this, increase the strength. So this posture, you can hold it, dolphin plank, 30 seconds to 1 minute. After that, again, bend your leg and put your hands to the floor. Again, if you want, you can use 1 block or 2 block. Here, inhale and exhale. So when you will go down, just try to straight your leg. Here. Then bend. You can use 2 block also. If you want to use 2 block, it's also good. Use 2 block. Inhale, exhale. In the beginning, you can try from this here, and slowly just try to lift it a little bit more up, and then bend your leg. Also, you can do the same pose with inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. So remember, when you bending your elbow, your wrist and your shoulder should be in a same line and elbow should be closed, leg should be straight. Inhale and exhale. यहाँ पे look front, up, down, up, down, up and down. So this one need little bit more strength in your hand, in your shoulder. So please do this practice every day so that you can increase the strength of your arms. So thank you so much everyone, and please don't forget to share this video. Namaste.